So many people have heard that you can do horse hoof sounds with coconuts, a la Monty Python.
Blow it out!
In this case, I actually used horse hooves. I feel like if you have access to them, it's a much better option. The individual elements are created while watching the action on screen one at a time, and they're recorded into a digital audio station by a Foley recordist. Something as simple as a body fall can have multiple elements. A dog walking down the street has its footsteps and a collar which kind of move in tandem. You can't rip an arm off without tearing some skin, breaking some bones, ripping some tendons. I love Foley because it's creative, it's fun, and it's very immediate. I like to live as in the moment as possible, and this is the perfect job for that. When an actor smashes a plate, you go get a plate and you smash the plate.